Next one is second part. Let A, there is a set given. Let A set equals to A, B, C, D, E and F. Insert appropriate symbol. We have to insert the symbol. Which symbols belongs to or doesn't belongs to. So our question is D. Students, tell whether D belongs to set A or not. D element is present in set A, so we can write D belongs to set A. Next one is Y. There is no element Y in this given set, so we can write Y doesn't belongs to A. In the similar manner you can complete the part. Next, third part is in the third part the set A is given, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd numbers up to 9. In the B set there are even numbers up to 10. And in the set C the numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Now we have to do it. We have to put the symbol belongs to or doesn't belongs to. The first part is 1 blank C. Second one is 3 blank A. Now student, you can easily tell does 1 belongs to set C or not. There is no element 1 in this set. 1 is not an element of the set C, so we can write 1 doesn't belongs to set C. Now 3 is an element of set A or not? Yes, 3 is present in the set A, so we can write here 3 belongs to A. In the similar way you can complete this part. In the fourth part we are given set A equals to 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. And set B equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. We have to say whether the given statement is true or false. First one is 1 belongs to B. Does 1 an element of set B? There is no element in the set B, that is 1. So we can write 1 is not an element of set B. So this statement is false because 1 doesn't belongs to set B. The next one is 5 belongs to set A. Now you can see 5 is an element of set A. So we can write this is true. 9, third one is 9 doesn't belongs to A. Is 9 present in set A? Yes, it belongs to set A. We can say 9 belongs to set A, but here it is written 9 doesn't belongs to set A. So we can write this statement is false because 9 is an element of set A. And the last part, write the sets whose elements are. Now we are given the elements, we have to write the set. First one is A, E, I, O, U. So we can write it in the set notation. For this just put curly bracket in these elements. Around these elements just put curly bracket and you will get the answer. Now this forms a set. Set is always enclosed in the curly bracket. Next one is the third part. 1 2 3 4 1 2 5 7 5 and 9. Now these are the given elements. We have to make a set of these elements. First write the curly bracket, open your curly bracket, then write the elements 1 2 3 4. Now 1 is already written here, so the set contains 1, and set is a distinct arrangement, means we have to write the element, one element only once time, so we will not write 1 again. Again 2 is also written, so again skipping the 2, we can write 5 7 and 9, and that's the answer.